everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this beautiful hair. I'm so excited about it. This is a favorite wig of many and has been for a long time, and it's been a favorite of mine as well. This here is the Jon Renau Blake, but she's a little different from my old Blake that I received in 2018 when I went to the Jon Renau Gets Real campaign. That's when I fell in love with Blake. And I still have that Blake and love it to this day. But this Blake is different because this Blake is from their brand new launch, a brand new collection called SmartLace Lite. Jon Renau has made a whole new cap construction and has some human hair and synthetic wigs with this SmartLace Lite construction, and it's awesome. They really went above and beyond with this here cap. And so I'm going to show you guys, the ins and outs of this cap and talk about this Blake as well, and give you some just information about this new collection that's out. All right, you guys, so SmartLace Lite is Jon Renau's light density collection that just barely launched. They have, they have 2 human hair options, and they have 3 traditional synthetic fiber options available. This has an ultra lightweight cap design, which I will show you, and it has ear-to-ear smart lace, ear-to-ear. So you have that realistic hand-tied, individually hand-tied smart lace from ear to ear, so you can pull it back and it looks like natural hair growth. The nape has a non-slip silicone area, so it keeps it from riding up. And then around the ear tabs, they have polyurethane. It gives you a lot of flexibility. You can put adhesive right there to keep it intact. And then you can pull these wigs up in ponytails, updos. It's going to stay put. You can use different tapes, adhesives on these polyurethane areas, and it gives you a lot of flexibility with your wig wearing. The SmartLace Lite is essentially lighter than other wigs that they have in their collections. It has a lighter hair density and it has a lighter weight cap. Okay, you guys, let's talk about Blake first since I have this on. The Jon Renau Blake Lite in 12 FS8 is what I have on. I love this color. It is so beautiful. I love it in human hair and synthetic and HD synthetic fibers, to be honest with you. It's a lovely dark rooted color. Now, all of these wigs in the Lite collection currently are average in size. So this Blake is an average. I fit average in the majority of wig brands, and this fits me really well. It's very comfortable. It's fully hand tied, so it's nice and snug and stretchy. It feels phenomenal. Now, this hair is Remy human hair. I can tell it's just so soft and silky. It feels great. It curls great. Just very luxurious, beautiful, high quality human hair. Let me do a full turnaround of Blake so you guys can see, the coverage of this new density. The weight of this Blake is 5.8 ounces. Your bang on Blake is 15.5 inches. Your crown is 18 inches. Your nape is 17 inches. And your sides on Blake Lite are 16 inches. I'm going to take this off and show you guys the features of the inside of this cap. All right, so the beautiful features on Blake Lite and the other wigs that are available in the Lite collection all have this awesome cap construction. So to get started, you have this amazing smart lace front. What's so nice is, like I mentioned, this is lighter than other caps and the density is lighter too. So all around it just feels so natural. You have this beautiful extended smart lace. It goes from ear to ear and it has that seamless transition. Right here you have polyurethane coated ear tabs. No velvet material like the other caps, and this is great for use with adhesives. You have this monofilament top. This is individually hand tied. It's meant to look like natural hair growth. You have room for multi-directional parting, part it every which way, style it however you'd wish because of that fully hand tied cap, monofilament top. Pull it away from the face because of that smart lace, extended smart lace from ear to ear, to, you know, reiterate again. And then of course you have this fully hand tied cap area. It's individually hand tied one by one. It's nice and stretchy, comfortable. You have this stretch area. It fits you like a warm hug, like a pair of your favorite leggings. It's snug, it's cozy, it feels fantastic. You have your adjustable tabs at the nape, and then down here at the nape you have a silicone area which helps for correct placement along with assisting the wig to stay in place. All right, so what are the benefits of this new light cap? Well, you have that hairline. You have that realistic hairline that goes from ear to ear. That's one of the amazing benefits. Another benefit is the fact that it does have a lighter density with the cap and with the hair. It just helps the wearer forget that they're even wearing alternative hair. It also allows for multiple styling options without any difficulty, like ponies, updos. Just that lighter density makes it so much more easy to pull up. And then of course you have that extra security due to the silicone on your ear tabs. And then you can use tapes on that front lace and other areas as well. That security also helps down at the nape. The use of adhesives such as walker tape, I love walker tape, is recommended, but it's not necessary. Okay, I do want to point out something very important for when you're styling your human hair light wig. Typically when you put your wig on a blockhead, they advise that you use your T-pins in your nape area or your ear tabs where it has the velvet material. But now with this wig, there is no velvet material on the nape, or, well, there is a little bit on the nape, but on these ear tabs. So where are we going to place those pins without damaging that delicate base material? You have a strip of velvet behind your monofilament top and right behind that polyurethane ear tab. That is where you'll want to place your T-pins to secure your wig to your blockhead. So just keep that in mind. You don't want to place your T-pins, poke your T-pins through your delicate lace front, your monofilament, any of that hand-tied area, because eventually those holes can snag and rip and tear open those delicate base materials. So where are you going to place your adhesives? Well, to give you a quick glimpse, you'll want to use your blue tape on your lace fronts. That's what we always recommend, is your blue liner tape on your lace fronts. Now on your polyurethane areas, such as these ear tabs, you can use your red and white liner adhesives. When you put on this wig and you do use adhesives, prep the area on your skin and on the area itself on the wig with Lace Let Go. That will remove any oils, makeup, and anything that will not allow you to have a good bond. And then when you're ready to remove your wig, use a little bit of that Lace Let Go on a Q-tip to break down that bond and remove it from your skin and your hair without any damage. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put Blake back on. She is just so, so beautiful. So what options are out there with this new cap construction? Well, you can get this Blake, of course, and then you can get the human hair Carrie. In synthetic, you can get the Cameron and Julianne and Zara, all light. These are all very popular styles, so I think they are fabulous choices to start out with this amazing cap construction. What are your guys' thoughts on the beautiful Jon Renau Lite collection? I'm smitten with this pair Blake. I've never tried Carrie ever, like in any cap. I'd really like to try Carrie sometime. I know it's a favorite of many. It's a beautiful mid-length style, so very you know, great for everyday wear. But I have a thing for long hair. I love long hair because I've never been able to achieve it on my own. So Blake is just like my dream hair, and I love it in this Jon Renau Lite collection. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to have all the links down below so you can get a closer look at Blake and the other options in this Jon Renau Lite collection. I will have the store locator link down below so you can find Jon Renau at many different brick and mortar locations and online locations. There are amazing retailers out there, so it's just a matter of figuring out what one works for you. You can DM me and I'll give you some ideas if you're stumped, but there are many out there. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I love this hair. I think I need to go somewhere now because like when you have pretty hair on, like go somewhere, man, you know. But I guess that's every day with wigs because you can have beautiful hair every day with a wig. Anyway, I'm blabbing over here. I think I'm just super thrilled with this beautiful Blake, and I'm flabbergasted and I don't know what to say. So I will let you guys go. Again, thank you so much. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if this was helpful, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.